Hey guys, quick update. I'm just kind of, solidifying this a little bit more. Um, what happened when I was taking this car apart was I noticed tons of rust in a lot of very important structural areas. So I just started kind of going through and making just patch panels of my own because, I mean, for an A pillar, C pillar, whatever, for an A body Mopar, they're anywhere between probably $150 to $300 if it's a really good company versus a cheaper company. And I can't swing that. I mean, my living is being a coffee roaster right now, and until something changes in the future, I'm working with what I got. And I said in the previous video, I'm working with a Lincoln 140, big old tank on this guy. It's an awesome little machine. It's doing everything I need it to do for the sheet metal that I'm working with because it's just, it's pretty thin. I think it's like 16 gauge, 14 or 16, something like that, throughout the car. And yeah, I'm just chopping away at this a little bit more. I had made a patch panel. I learned from Fitzy's Fabrication on YouTube. The dude's awesome. He teaches everything. I made a patch panel that goes, up on that vertical slant. The whole thing I was worried about was trying to replicate this section, which this is bulged out a little bit. I'm going to cut it in a little, hammer it in a bit. But just that patch panel, I'm pretty sure was like $150 from Classic Industries or something like that. And I just went through, I made one patch going vertical here. I made another one, this kind of almost Eiffel Tower shape, going across, went up, and then I filled in right in here. And then across here there was also some rust, and there's a bit more work that I did back in here, which I'm going to go back through, do a little bit of a touch-up on, and I'm going to make another video on that. But for now, I'm just cranking away. I'm doing just little bits all the way through. To make that piece, what I should have done was just done one piece of metal that was cut in that curve, but I didn't. I kind of half-assed it, and I made it a part of this piece that I made. I bent it up and I cut slots in it going all the way up, and I just folded it with it, and I went through and kind of cut a little bit more, grinded it down, cut more, ground down more, and it ended up just being kind of a waste of time. I should have just done one panel going throughout, and I might go back and redo it. I have a little bit that I did on the inside here. I blew through right there. I had it on the wrong setting, and I went through on a pretty weak spot. I have to go through. I don't have a light on me right now. I'll get it in the daytime where you can see where I went through there with the welder. And then here I still have to go through and fill in all the spot weld holes. But that's what I got going on right now. I'll keep doing more updates as I go. But for now, it's just a quick little thing. Yeah, hope you guys are out there working on your projects, and hope to see you soon. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe if you'd like. This is pretty cool so far. If I can teach you anything, or if you guys can learn from me somehow, that would be really cool. I'll probably keep the content going. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Have a great day.